I was sent the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 digital. I am super excited to give this a try. So here it is right out of the box. And it comes with a Teflon sheet, a user's manual. It has got a pull-out tray with the pressing mat. Just absolutely beautiful machine. It's got this digital readout that goes up and down. So it's very easy to set. So you can see that on the front, it tells you what the buttons are for. So I set up my auto press. I've got it heating up to 385 degrees and I set it for 3 minutes, so 120 seconds. And right now it is at 50 pounds of pressure. This is what's really nice about this machine, is that you can increase or decrease the pressure. So I am excited to get started.
I use a silicone pressing mat when I am pressing ceramic and slate, so I have added that silicone mat to my press here. I will have a link below for that. I have put my protective paper down and I have added my design with heat resistant tape, and now I'm going to be adding my ceramic ornament to that. This is a sublimation ready ceramic ornament that I have already cleaned, and I will be taping that in place and covering it with protective paper. My press is heated up to 385 degrees and I have my time set for 180 seconds, and I upped my pressure to 70 pounds. Be sure to wear protective gear with this, heat resistant gloves, and I have got a cooling mat ready with a clean piece of protective paper on it.
And here it goes. It closed perfectly. It's at the 385 degrees, 70 pounds of pressure, and it is counting down on the 3 minutes. It is almost done, so let's watch this open up. Beautiful. I'll pull the drawer out here, and there is the ornament. So I will get this opened up. I couldn't do that with one hand. I didn't want to burn myself, but oh wow, it turned out perfectly.
And here's the design that I'm going to be using for my slate. I have another video where I created these designs, and I'll have a link below for that. I have my protective paper in place, then I have my image face up on the protective paper, and I centered it on my slate with the sublimation side on the design. I'm leaving the pressure at 70 pounds for this as well, and the temperature at 385, and now I have added the Teflon sheet that came with the press.
Now it has started on this slate, and we will see the results when it is finished. We're getting down to our last minute here. So this was a press for 5.5 minutes, 510 seconds. And we're almost to the end. Be sure to have protective gloves on for this, heat resistant, because this is going to be extremely hot. Here we go. 510 seconds. Let's see how it turned out. I'll flip this slate over very, very carefully, because it is extremely hot. I'm going to turn the video off so I don't burn my hands. And here it is. Oh my goodness, it turned out so perfectly. Flawless. Beautiful.
I am very impressed with the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. Both the ceramic and the slate turned out perfectly. And here is a close-up view of the two projects. So I decided at the last minute to add some cloth onto this press and give it a try for this review. So I decided to do canvas bags. These are sublimation ready canvas bags. So I left my temperature at 385 degrees. I did raise the pressure up to 90 pounds and I pressed these for 60 seconds. So for this HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2, I have done ceramic, I have done slate, and now I have done some canvas bags for you. I think this is a total win. I highly recommend getting this press. I will have links below for that.
Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and see links below.